When one of your favorite rocket scientists asks if you can make a model of their upcoming space mission, you say yes, always. But what actually is NEO Surveyor? NEO, or Near Earth Object Surveyor, is the first ever space telescope to be specifically designed to detect asteroids and comets that may be potential hazards to Earth. Dark asteroids and comets don't really reflect a ton of visible light, but they do glow in the infrared spectrum as they're heated by the sun. So, as NEO Surveyor scans the solar system, its sensitive infrared sensors can track even the most elusive near-Earth objects, allowing it to find asteroids, including ones that approach Earth from the sun's direction, which would typically be obscured by the glare of sunlight. NEO Surveyor is scheduled to launch no earlier than September 2027, but I, for one, absolutely cannot wait.